Flat tire? No problem. Today we're breaking down the top 5 cordless tire inflators you need in your car right now, from compact glove box heroes to heavy-duty powerhouses. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend adventurer, or just want peace of mind on the road, we've got the perfect pick for you. Let's pump it up. Number 5. Avid Power 20V Cordless Tire Inflator. The Avid Power 20V cordless tire inflator stands out with its ergonomic drill-style design, making it comfortable to hold and easy to use. The battery is positioned at the base, allowing it to stand upright during operation, which improves stability and convenience. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive performance, capable of inflating a tire from 25 psi to 35 psi in just over a minute. It also maintains good accuracy, with only a small psi error margin, making it reliable for everyday use. It includes a preset pressure function with auto shut-off, ensuring safe and precise inflation without manual monitoring. While it is not designed for heavy-duty truck tires, it is perfect for regular car owners who want a lightweight, easy-to-use, and efficient inflator for daily needs. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max Tire Inflator. The DeWalt 20V Max Tire Inflator is a heavy-duty and high-performance tool designed for demanding users. It is capable of inflating not only standard car tires, but also larger truck tires, making it one of the most powerful cordless inflators in its category. It features a rotary dial for precise PSI selection, a real-time pressure display, and an automatic shut-off system for accurate inflation control. This inflator is also highly versatile, as it can be used for inflating air mattresses, rafts, paddleboards, and other large inflatables. Its rugged build ensures durability even in tough conditions. While it is larger, heavier, and more expensive than compact models, it delivers unmatched power and versatility, making it ideal for professionals or heavy-duty users. Number 3. HYVOHEX Tire Inflator. The HYVOHEX Tire Inflator is a solid mid-range option that balances price, portability, and functionality. It comes with a clear digital display that shows real-time pressure readings, helping users monitor inflation accurately. One of its key features is the auto shut-off function, which stops inflation once the preset PSI is reached, preventing overinflation and making it very user-friendly. Its compact size allows it to be easily stored in a car or carried in a bag, making it convenient for everyday use. It is suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and even sports equipment. While it does not offer the speed or power of premium models, it provides reliable performance for general use, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Number 2. Craftsman Tire Inflator. The Craftsman Tire Inflator is built around durability and reliability, making it a strong choice for users who value long-term performance. It operates on the Craftsman 20V Max battery system, which is especially useful if you already own other tools from the same brand, as batteries are interchangeable. Instead of focusing on advanced smart features, this inflator prioritizes consistent performance and strong build quality. It is designed to handle regular tire maintenance and emergency inflation without issues. While it may not be the fastest inflator on the market, it is dependable, simple to use, and built to withstand rough usage. This makes it ideal for people who want a no-nonsense tool that works every time without complications. Number 1. AstroAI L7 Cordless Tire Inflator. The AstroAI L7 is a compact but very powerful cordless tire inflator designed for speed, accuracy, and smart functionality. It features a true gauge sensor that delivers up to 200 readings per second, ensuring highly accurate pressure measurement so you don't overinflate or underinflate your tires. With an airflow rate of 17 liters per minute, it inflates tires faster than many standard portable inflators, making it ideal for emergency roadside use. Its 4,000 mAh battery allows multiple tire inflations on a single charge, and it can easily handle cars, bikes, and other inflatables. It also comes with smart features like preset pressure settings, auto shut-off, a bright LED flashlight with SOS mode, and even USB output for charging devices. Overall, it is a premium all-rounder for users who want speed, precision, and extra features in one compact device. At the end of the day, Any one of these 5 will get the job done. But the right one depends on your vehicle, your budget, and how you drive. Take your time, compare, and make the call that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.